Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today I want to kind of cover is not really inside the program, but the licensing side of things on how to activate your license, move licenses around, and if you guys go to the sentinel.solidcam.com site, this will pop up for you, and I'll put the link in the description below for you guys. But you guys can come in here and let's say you guys just need to download an updated driver because Windows Update wiped it out. You can just click on the driver and that will get everything going for you guys. Or if you guys need to do updates, pretty much everything is right inside here for you guys. If you're trying to do a product key activation, all that stuff is all right here for you. And of course, if you guys do have questions, definitely feel free to give us a call here on the support line. But if you want to try it on your own, this is a place you can go for troubleshooting. And like I said, come in here for drivers and any kind of license questions there is for you guys. So just want to share that with you guys. And like I said, the link for this page I'll put in the description of the video for you. But great place and great tool to come in here and help out with your SolidCAM license. That's all I got for you guys today. So have a great evening, and we will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys.